In the previous lessons, you learned how to multiply. For example, we have 3 times 5 equal to 15. Well, in this lesson, we are going to look at how to describe the process of multiplication using specific terms. The first thing we have is number that multiplies, in this case 3 and 5, to form a product, which is 15, are called factors. So 3 and 5 are considered as a factors. And 15 is a product. Then we have two numbers that multiply each other to form a product are called factor pairs. Well, what we have here is 3 and 5 is considered as a factor pairs that form 15. So that's the definition of multiply, product, factors, and factor pairs that we use to describe the process of number multiply another number to form a product. Then we have the term multiple. A multiple of a number is the product of that number and any whole number. To understand this, let's look at an example. For example, let's look at the number 2. So what are the multiple of number 2? Well, what do we have? Well, 2 times 1. See how this is a whole number right here? And how 2 is the number. What's that going to be? 2. So this right here, this 2 right here is a multiple. Then we have another multiple of number 2. Again, we are just using that same number. Multiply another whole number. What's another whole number after 1? Well, 2. See, this is the whole number that we're looking at, which in this case is equal to 4, which is another multiple of 2. Then what about 2 times 3? And again, this is equal to 6, and 6 is just another multiple of 2. And again, this is a whole number. So all we have to do is take that number, multiply by a whole number, and we get a multiple. Let's do some practice problem. Find the missing factor of the product below. Well, blank and 16 are factor pairs of 64. So what number multiplied by 16 equal to 64? So question mark times 16 equal to 64. And if you multiply, in order to solve this problem, you have to be really good with your multiplication table. Well, first of all, we have 2 times 16 is equal to 32. 3 times 16 is equal to 48. And what about 4 times 16 is equal to what? 64. There you go. So the answer right here must be 4. 4 and 16, they are factors that make up the factor pair of 64. Find the missing factor of the product below. 2 and blank of a factor pair of 48. So this is a little bit tricky. You remember, you have to be really good at your multiplication table. Well, what's the largest number that you can think of that you can multiply by 2 equal to 48? Well, we know that 2 times 20 is equal to 40. 2 times 22 is equal to 44. Well, we need to make it higher a little bit. So what about 2 times 24 is equal to 48? So our answer is 24. Because 2 times 24 is equal to 48. Thank you for watching, and we hope that this video have empowered you to do well in your math class. Streamline Ed PD is an all-in-one education training by teachers with the mission to empower teachers to support all students. We have interactive practice that go along with this video. The links are in the description below. If you would like your teacher to use this video or create similar video to support you and your classmate, please subscribe and share this video and your learning experience with your teachers and parents. Together we can empower you to be successful in school.